package has arrived, I'm guessing from Temu. This is the one I've been waiting for, that is late. So I'm just going to open this up and see what's in it, because I don't know what's in it, and I think it's tools. So let's find out and see if it's any good. Christmas. Okay. Don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. Ooh. Okay, I know what that is. So this is one of those bags that they've started doing. It kind of comes across there. This is my second one, and it's kind of a that there. If whatever's in it's too heavy, breaks. I've broken my last one. The bag itself is good, but the strap is crap. So if you're into fixing stuff like that, it's great. If you're not, don't bother. But if I have a t-shirt on and I put like a square or pencils and all that stuff to mark in, I've got nowhere to place them down, great. But that is such a far-fetched idea. I know. Ooh. So that's a right. Okay, so this is a scribe jig. So you put your pencil in the hole, and you've got, you know, if that's the wall, you've got your millimeters. So it's like a funny shape. So you can, you know, 10 millimeters away from the wall. I think that one's probably 12. And so what's that one? So it's a 20 mil line. I think that's going to be handy, and I don't feel like I'm going to break it, which is great. Alright, so this is way smaller than I thought it was going to be. They're quite crafty with their measurements. So my guess is when I ordered this, they mark it down right. So I don't know if you can see that. So it's, oh my god, it's supposed to be thick plastic. They say it's, you know, oh my god. So the measurements they show, it doesn't look to me, I might be wrong, it doesn't look to me like they match up. But I was thinking for, so it's, what's that, 60 degrees is there. Okay, so 60 degrees, if that was your flat edge, that's supposed to be 60 degrees. I don't believe it is, which would make that 120 degrees, but it's not, it's 121, so that is not even marked correctly. Useless. I bought it for the microsaw so that we can, you know, we put it up against whatever we need to get the angle from, take that over to the saw and just get it right. That's not going to do the job, so that's an absolute waste. This, now, I wanted to, you know, get the little weird angles and things like that if I'm doing tiling. It doesn't feel too bad. I'm going to put that to the test and let you know, but you know, who knows? Who knows what that is really going to be like. But it's thick plastic, that's what I was kind of hoping that was. But so this seems good. If the measurements are correct, I've got no way of measuring it right now. That might be okay. Oh, that's my new tripod for when I film close-up angles. Better footage for you guys. So, let's have a look. What is this? What is this? Very sticky. Oh, please tell me it's just the end bit that's bent. Ah, thank God for that. So that, oh, well, I suppose if it can make a hole, it's not straight, and I can't even remember what that's called. There's some kind of like brad awl, I think it's called. It's very sharp. I will put that back on. I thought that was bent then. It's not. It's cheap crap, but it's sharp, so it'll last a little bit. It'll last for now. This is the problem, see. This is when you. Oh, I'm going to put it there because it's also very small, and that's not what I wanted. It's not. A lot of this stuff is starting to become not what's advertised. So this is what I was looking for. So these are very strong magnets. So to hold things together, you screw magnets onto a door, maybe on a cupboard, and I had them the wrong way around, clearly. Yeah, and they hold it closed. They are magnets, they work. These are sort of gel tip pens, and they're quite a long nib in it, so I was hoping they'd fit through some of the marking rulers and stuff that I've got. So I guess when it comes to these, I think it was 10 for £1 maybe, I think. Anyway, there's a bit of paper. They're pens, they work. It's not a very thick line, which is what I wanted. Right. Oh, lights. Now these, I've had these before, there were some extras, they were like 50 pence or 60 pence. Battery operated, very, very thin wire LEDs. When I use them, I will show you. Amazing box Temu. Well, here's some video evidence for you. It didn't come with a base. Phone bracket. Can you see that? Look at that. And it's the worst plastic ever. I'll be sending an email to them about that. Ah, right, okay, so, okay, that's, how do I even open it? Do you know what? The way they've packed that, luckily, was, it's packaged so badly. This, oh my, are they separate? They are. It's not even, oh my God, and you can tell this is the morning and I'm tired. Okay, so, okay, a 300mm square. It sounds so much bigger, doesn't it? I thought it was going to be, I'm just realising that's the width of a cooker. It's like 50, what are they, 500s? Right, let's get a square. I've just realised at this very second, this is the biggest one that I've got. We'll have some kind of idea to start with, I guess. I mean, that outer corner is square. That inner corner, I mean, this is like the smallest amount of light. And when I say the smallest amount, I mean, for me, that's precision enough. for the little things I wanted to do. I just wanted it to be bigger. I really needed it to be bigger. So I'm gonna. I think the only option I have right now is to check it's square against itself. So I'm gonna draw a line. Oh, there's a gel pen. That doesn't work. No, I don't even know how am I going to do this without. That doesn't work. Right. Okay. I know you're probably looking at me going, dude, you're just making a mess of your own table. I can't make a mess of my own table. You know what? I'm going to put these things to the test and check them out, and I'm going to put them up in another video where I actually use them. This is just going to be easier. I think I need to send Temu an email and say, what the hell? Thanks for watching. This has to stop. I'll see you in the next video.